Well, this is very beautiful today from Mirabel, Quebec. This video is to notice my clients, my future clients, that I'm going to go on vacation for 1 week to Quebec to the World Cup Championship with Alex Harvey. And that's going to be a treat for me. Plus, I'm going to Charlevoix. That's really I've been I was not spending too much time with my lover Nancy, and now it's really fun to have time to be with her. And I should say love is the most important thing in the world, but my video is not about love. It's more about the end of my season of cross-country skiing. I had the chance to give a workshop to students, to private people. It was really an awesome thing for me. It was like a milestone, because when you show stuff to people, techniques, cross-country skiing, or even Nordic walking, you really need to have the will to share with people, and that's what I like to do with my job. I like to share my knowledge and have fun at the same time. And Nordic walking is really something I like to do, and for spring and for the summer I'm going to give a workshop for Nordic walking, and plus not only giving lesson with Nordic walking, but to not only that, but to improve your health. And with Nordic walking, you can improve your flexibility, your overall health, and to maybe your anxiety and stress. Why? Because I like to do that in nature. Why nature? Nature is maybe the most powerful healing medicine in the world, because you spend time in nature, and nature removing pollution and removing anxiety and stress from the world. And this is really something, not the pollution of the air, but the pollution of your mind. Too much stress and anxiety, you're not going to feel well. And this is why Nordic walking is so important in a way to improve your health, because it's easy to do. You need shoes, a pack sack, and a pair of poles. And this is really something that I'm really aiming at. It's really trying to bring the right vocabulary to people, bring the right stuff, the right techniques, and to be able to find the right words to explain things. And Nordic walking, nature, is why I spend so much time. You maybe have seen people, holistic people. Holistic means a whole. If you're in balance with the universe, yourself, and the world, you're going to be just fine. You're going to be away from anxiety, stress, and disease, and a lot of things like that. And it's why sometimes you need to be away from people. You need to be in nature just to heal, not necessarily only your body, but your mind. This is really important for me. I've been doing that for 25 years now, and that's really working, and I shared this knowledge with other people, and this thing is really working. Very extraordinary result, and you feel well. In nature, you can be yourself, you can ease your mind. We're living in a world, everything is going so quick, so fast, and sometimes you have no time for yourself. So really need to spend time with yourself, and of course with me, I can show you some ropes of how to improve your health with Nordic walking. And plus, I got other services, massage therapist care, and plus I got cross country will be over in 3 weeks. Normally my season is at the end of March or beginning of April, but normally it's the 12th of April. And as a massage therapist, I really have the, how should I say, find ways to what people told me. I remove layers of stress and anxiety from them. So it's like removing pollution from the world. So Nordic walking is good for your health. Massage therapists carry something the same. We work on the same thing, except that I'm giving energy to people to heal themselves. Those kind of things are really making the differences for people. The people who are listening, I have to tell them how to heal. They heal, and other people, well, life is something else. Life keep going. So I just want to remind you that springtime is around the corner. I'm going to, like I said, giving a workshop for Nordic walking, how to use equipment. I got some poles to sail to. I'm working with the XL pole, really excellent pole to work with. Very easy to use, not very expensive, and very flexible. You have a curve in the pole. There's a curve. So guys, don't forget. Massage therapist, QIGONG, and Nordic walking for spring and summer. And you can always have a plan. So give me a call, email, a phone. So give me a call. We can really find a plan for you that is going to work and be fine with you. And well, that's about it for me today. So take care. Don't forget, nature's my playground. Bye bye.